My buddy Neiven, how goes it?
That's right, man. We're opening up some goodies from Rad Guard Australia.
That's right, Rad Guard all the way from Oz.
That's right. Like these guys are awesome, man. They truly deliver a quality product, and we're unboxing it. We're checking out what we got inside of here.
And it made it from Australia in what, like 3-4 business days?
Yes, I don't know how they do it. Oh, look at all these goodies we got. We got all these cozies, dude.
Nice, cozies.
They loaded it up.
I told them to hook me up with cozies. Yeah.
Oh,
what do you think? You want a cozy?
Yeah, I'm going to put my drink in here.
There you go. Oh, those are skinnier drinks, but yeah, there you go.
Yeah, somebody actually stole my cozy, man. Or they borrowed it. I'm not going to say steal.
At the track, you mean?
They borrowed it, but on a hot day like this, guess what? It'll keep my drink cold, right?
Sweet, sweet.
Rad Guard Australia. So let's see what we got. We got a...
You want to open up a cozy for me, Niki, and put mine in there? Are you already on it?
That was mine. Do you want it?
All right. So Niki's a motorsport enthusiast as well.
Yeah, but see, your can is all broken.
Yeah, I know. I dropped it. I was trying to carry.
Cool though, see?
I was trying to carry 5 drinks at once. It didn't quite work out so well.
Loaded it up with these. Okay, so what do we got here? This looks like.
Well, it's going to be either the Ninja or your CBR, right?
Oh no, it's for the CBR 2008, 2016.
Yeah, for your 1000.
So we got a black one. Look how beautiful that looks. Get a shot on this, man. Quality welds. Look at
Yeah,
that.
hold it steady. Oh, let's focus.
Quality welds. Everything is seamless.
Notice, like, it's the thickness, guys. The whole point is a rock can actually hit your radiator guard, but if the radiator guard is flush against the actual radiator, the fins will still get crushed in a bit. So you want to have a little bit of thickness to it, which is nice with the Rad Guards, I noticed.
And not only that though, but you see you've got this foam right here. If this thing,
yeah, that's the separator, exactly.
if your radiator guard is rattling against your radiator, it could rub a hole in it. I've seen that too. It can rub a hole in your radiator, and it just hangs on there, and then we just throw the bolt through here.
Yeah, the actual OEM bolt.
Yep.
That's about
We
it.
got foam in all 4 corners.
All right, well, let's keep going. Keep unboxing, bud.
All right.
Or hold on, let's pause. I need a drink.
All right.
Hold on, bud. I gotta have my drink first. Then we'll get back to the box here. All right. Let's see what else is in there. Something for the Ninja. Project Moto Co. Okay, there's your instructions, bud.
Oh yeah, I can't lose that.
Oh, look, they got new stickers now. That's a new sticker. That's very cool.
We're
Look
loaded
at all
up.
the freaking cozies. Oh, here we go. Oh, I lost the cozy. That's okay. They got the Evo 1 tape. Oh, there's a few of them in here. There we go. Let's pull this out of the way. So this is for the Ninja. Of course, there is no oil cooler on the Ninja. Actually, your bike doesn't have an oil cooler either, huh?
I don't think so.
Yeah,
No.
it's interesting that your 1000 doesn't. But okay, so there's a black versions and another black one.
Another
and a
black.
couple silver ones here.
Ooh, 2 silver ones, 2 black ones. Yeah, I like the silver one.
Perfect.
So we can look at the welds a little closer on this one. So just take a little slow-mo look at that, bud.
Oh yeah, the welds look good. The welds look excellent. Look at this, man. We have a whole bunch of these.
They're expecting big parties everywhere.
Yeah, that's right. It's a party.
Yeah, somebody ripped me off at work, I think.
There you go. Do you have a radiator guard on your CBR 600?
Nope.
Nope. Well, something to think about for the future, huh?
Yeah, I do have one on my cabby though.
The ZX10? Yep.
Yeah, definitely, man. Definitely the best.
Yeah, you can see the nice, yeah, the beautiful welds on the top too, guys.
Definitely.
And they're not even expensive. I mean, like, you know, you're looking at under 100 Canadian.
And
So,
the weights? Hold on a second. I got a scale. I get the scale out. Maybe we can weigh it or something.
all right, I'll have another drink and I'll pause.
It's also a good hat. Oh, you didn't even have to go to the post office. See, you
Yeah,
come here.
my mailman's cool.
Yeah, buddy.
He's like jumping over.
What else did we get? Who knows? Some shoe goo, maybe. Yeah, I ordered a bunch of shoe goo.
Run.
Okay, so we got the scale out, guys. Let's cruise around here. We got to set the grams now. What is that? What the hell is that? 1.7 pounds? No.
Yeah.
Okay. Ounces. That's what we work with, guys. And it's 17.6 ounces. Nice. Okay guys, so now we're on grams. Yeah, what is that? I can't even see what it says. What was that? 501 grams. There you go.
Last week.
Oops, upside down. And then in the pounds, guys, for you Americans, America, 1.102 pounds. So 1 pound. There you go. Now we just got to get it on the bike. You even pull out the CBR.
Do you even have an OEM? Wow, look at your tires, man. They're like bald, and he wants to tie it on. What did he do with that thing?
What is this? Some old Dunlop or something? Or
GPA
Pirelli?
Pros.
Yeah.
Yeah.
GPA.
That was coming out of turn 9 on Big Willow.
Probably like 50 times just mentioned that too.
Just on the gas, just on the gas way too hard. And
Here, take a seat. Take a seat. Yep. There you go. When's the last time you had this on track, Neiven?
Probably last year, maybe around
Look, it's like not even
October
scratched
October
anywhere.
time frame.
It's red and orange wheels.
Yeah, we got the Marc Marquez thing going.
Just admit it, you
See?
just bought new films.
Your hair, Nikki, is pretty much matching a little bit, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Matches. Oh no, we got to get a snapshot of these lever guards.
Oh, that's right. The Evil One Rev.
That's right.
From Rad Guard, they distribute Evil One, a sub brand, guys. Get them while they're hot.
These
Oh,
are actually
yeah.
cool. Mine always pop up and it's stupid.
Yeah, I like that. I like this stuff. It works really well.
See, that's a testament again. You see, that's a testament.
Oh
Rad
man,
Guard.
get this track experience bullshit off here. Those guys don't support the sport. I'm serious. Okay, get the pit bull stand on there, Neiven.
I'm adjusting it.
Yeah.
Adjusting it. Making
If-
some adjustments here.
If anybody's looking for Pitbull products, give George a call at Pitbull and mention my name.
No, I think it was the right way because that way, that's what's
Okay, so we got him on the right way this time.
hopefully.
Told the noobs.
Yeah, like I was saying, if anybody's looking for Pitbull products, give them a call, mention my name. You're going to get a little discount, and you're going to support the sport, guys.
Yeah, let me tell you something, man. Like, these are some sturdy stands. I've tried the others. Believe me.
Okay, so Neiven, we removed the front wheel to make things easier.
Yep.
And we're just pulling off the bodywork so we can access things better and show you guys what it's going to look like with the guard in place. Oh, and a couple on the front.
Yeah. Number 4.
There you go. My little Seattle Tool like dirt bike
I love it.
carry kit.
I was looking for something like that because I never have the right sizes in one tool.
Yeah, you never lose a tool that way, and plus you always know where it is as long as you put it back.
That's right.
Bam. Okay, so what's the name of this bike?
Doesn't have a name.
All right. Ready to go.
Okay guys, so we got stuff out of the way, and the first step is to get these 2 hooks to go up and behind the radiator. So I'm just gonna place it in the middle, just get a little visual, bud. Get that, the right hook, this one back. It's a tight fit for sure, but there. And then the bottom plugs in right there.
Through that bolt.
Boom. That's it.
And look how excellent that fits. It completely covers your radiator.
And it gives you a little bit of protection and everything.
Yeah.
And it's not just flush against, there's a gap. There's a gap between the actual radiator fins and the Rad Guard Australia.
Look at that excellent fit.
All right, bud.
All right. Cheers.
Let's get that bolt on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tightening up this bolt.
There you guys, that's the only bolt. It's on the bottom and the top just hooks on. So pretty easy. You know, the most difficult part is just making access. If you don't have access, just take the front wheel off. OEM bodywork. I mean, we didn't have to take the bodywork off. I just wanted to make it easier to film and just easier overall.
Yeah, look at how well that fit, man. It's
Look at that. Rad Guard. Yeah.
Thank you, Rad Guard Australia. You guys are great, man.
Take a couple pics.
My name's Neiven.
Hi, Niki.
Anyways, guys, that's the Rad Guard Australia. Check it out. Rad Guard.